Traveling sheets, clothing a beast, sewing together your corpse with mine. I didn't come here to start shit. We are just trying to spark it. Take a spin, like when it's smoke that rolling. Take a bit, like it's the paper. Take a red, you can't smoke. I'm an American, the weirdest thing, I'm arrogant. Eat asparagus, I'm the entire dope, you embarrassing. To paraphrase, we all think you're a bitch, and that's on you. Mind over matter with my ageless crew. Timeless chatter after days is through, and the neighbors knew. In the place I'm an agent contagious. Too many losers, pennies get switched, I'm a bruiser. And then a resource to my aim on a Porsche with a Tech 9 or a Uzi. But I'd rather be caught in a jacuzzi. In a matter of time, we crossing the state line with a pound of the kush, and we living in a movie. I end up putting Tarantino up in the rap game. See your gun and your pussy will soothe me, but I'd rather be thinking it up and down. Ooh-wee. I came for the cat and the kibble. Scribble my name in your nipple, I'm nasty. See the sense of your kitty is groove. Sniff the kitty out, rhinoplasty. Losing focus, who's the dopest? That be me, KFB. Take a spin.
I see you.
Yeah, I saw you too.
I'm right behind you.
Yeah, I see you.
We're going to Jimmy A's. No,
I'm dropping off my coworker.
Oh, yeah?
Having fun?
Heck yeah. Are you coming over tomorrow?
Probably.
Okay. So hurry up and get off and come over.
Okay. I mean, maybe. I'll see what I can do.
Okay. Oh, we're going to play some mini golf. I finally got her Oculus hooked up.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, it took me like hours. I finally had to just factory reset it and just make it her account. And I got it all hooked up. And like every Wednesday we play some mini golf. Well, I'm going to let you drive.
That's
then.
Cool.
I'll see you tomorrow.
All right. See ya. Have a good one.
Yep.
No smoking, we ain't having that. You gotta get up out of the back and taking up seat space. Can't you tell by the look on my face that I wanna get baked till I can barely even see straight. I can drink a beer and be lit, but I promise not driving and crash or some shit. Not on me though, I control the flow. I can shake it quick when I'm hounded by the floor. I wish this was another place. I would just throw it in space. What the fuck you doing, Jimmy? Just let me smoke mine. You can put that on my probate court. When you turn, I like to hurt you with my horn. Smoke's up at the edge, begun to rewind the song and hold me past the ball. Hey, you roll it up, please stop rolling up. Today, I've been phasing up and let me hear you stay. Hey, you roll it up, please stop rolling up. Today, I've been phasing up and let me hear you stay. I'm not a hero with a lot of role model. I'm someone that'd rather hit a ball in a bottle and swallow my brain into a mundane state and maybe eat some shrooms so I hallucinate. You can put that on my probate. Well, man, I'm fucked up. I'm back on the first. My favorite sport's in Hell 200 where we all say fuck it and just get running. So fun it is up in the clouds. I'm afraid of heights, but I'm okay for now. I just like to smoke till I'm pissed, and I stay away from people who can't keep it lit. Hot vibes, I got the blood all running, and you can't keep it going for nothing. Quit fucking around, asking anybody hear that sound. You's a first time smoker about to pass out.